Hey guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to deploy Laravel project on Vercel. So in order to do this, first of all, prepare your Laravel project. Ensure that your project works locally. Run Composer, install to make sure all dependencies are present. Push your project to a GitHub and GitLab repository. Then create required files for Vercel. In your Laravel project root, create an api/index.php file with this. So you can get this code in the description of this video. Now create a .vercel ignore file and add this text. Then create a vercel.json file in root and copy this code and paste it there. You can copy this code from the description of this video. Now adjust your environment variables as needed. Push changes to your repository, add and commit the new files to your repository. So copy this code, add it there, then import your project on Vercel. Go to vercel.com, log in, click add new, choose project, then connect your GitHub or GitLab and import your Laravel repository. For framework preset, select other. Add the environment variables in the Vercel dashboard under settings and environment variables. Now deploy. So simply click on deploy and wait for the process to finish. If a deployment fails, set the node.js version to 18.x under general node.js version and redeploy. Then test your deployed app, visit the provided Vercel URL and verify your Laravel app works as expected. Note that Vercel is mainly built for serverless PHP. So traditional Laravel queues, some artisan jobs, and some PHP extensions may not work optimally. For complex apps, consider standard PHP or PaaS hosts. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.